So templates are great because if you create your templates and put them into your library over here, then all you have to do is drag them over every time you create a new session folder without having to create the gradables and the non-gradables over and over again. So the way that you do that is you click into any session folder and click Add. And let's say I want to create my template for my participation. So we go into Assignment. And I'm going to title it Participation. And then I'm going to come up here to Settings, and I'm just going to make sure that it's set as gradable, and also that my grading category is not going to be on homework, but it's going to be on participation. Okay, then I click Save. And then what I'm going to do, see there's the template that I've created. Now what I'm going to do is move it to my library. So you click on the three dots there and you're going to click Copy to my library. And there it is right there. Now if I want to drag it into another folder, there it is, and it's already ready. I can do the same thing for my homework. So I do the same thing. So just title it Homework. Come up to Settings. Make sure that it's set as gradable. Make sure that it says Homework. Now this is, since it's homework as well, we also want to make sure that our submission type is set on multiple documents. Okay. We're not going to worry about the due date for the template because that's going to be when we assign those specific homeworks. So now this template is ready, so again I'm going to save it. And I'm going to copy it to my library. Okay, so now my participation and homework templates are ready, so for whenever I need them. So now when we go to drag over the homework template, when we assign the actual homework for that session, we just click in there like normal, and we put in our activity instructions, and then we go to make sure that in our settings our due date is set. So if you ever want to edit or delete any of your templates, you come up to the menu up here and click on My Library. Okay, this will bring you to everything that's in your library that was showing up on the right-hand side of the screen before. So if I want to delete those templates that I just created, I just come all the way down. Here's where they are. I click on the three dots, and I just click Delete and say yes. And there you go.